Welcome to another Crafting with Cats at BBHQ. Today we're making Halloween bandanas for cats, as just modelled by Gorgeous Fudge. These are the fabrics that I chose for this project. As you can see, they're very cute. Here's the template. Cut 2 of your chosen fabrics. Then sew the edges up, the straight edges, on the side. Then place right sides together and stitch around the edge, leaving the little gap so we can slide the collar through. Turn them the right way round and then give them a good press. Next, I attached the pom-poms. Here's what we chose to use today, and I sewed those around the bottom edge of the bandana. And here's the green one. And then you should have something that looks like this. And then just slide your collar through the little hole at the top and you should have something like this. And here's Melvin modelling them for us. Doesn't he look absolutely adorable? If you want to see the full tutorial, stop by the blog at www.bionicbasil.com and head to the Crafting with Cats page, and everything is there. Thanks for watching.